Hello everyone. My name is Shakib. I'm going to demonstrate you how to use or how to have access of a video conferencing in Schomee.com, Schomee platform. How we will be doing a video conference. So there are basically two ways of doing. The first way is a security way in which you will be getting a username and password. Those who participants who have the username and password through with their credential they can log. Another way of doing or using a video conferencing in Schomee is that through the guest member. So in guest members will be getting a link, a URL link will be given over there. Example is conference.livebox.com.co.in IP meetings and key will be there. So any person who has this link can access it. So once you copy that link into the web address and this particular web page will be coming, you need to enter your name over here, okay, and then click on the join. As per your internet connectivity, the page will appear, the conference page, the home page will be appearing, okay. So you will get a page over here. Fine, good. Here you can see what is the strength. If it is green, and you can see the statistic, how the connection, is it good or not. If the connection is less, then you will be getting a yellow. If internet connection is very low, then you will get a red. So that is the indication that how the connection is over. Fine, good. Even HD is over here, so you can see in the high definition. If suppose this is the web page, if suppose I clicked on I stop my camera, then what will happen? Only the audio will come. And as you can see over here, the moment I am speaking, a blinking is happening, an echo is happening over there. So that is the indication that my voice is being transferred to all the parties. As I can see, there is a movement in the voice and the labels over there. Fine, good. Now, coming to once I have done that, okay, this is for microphone off and on, okay, unmuted. This particular option, the toolbar. First one is what? First one is for sharing this. So once you click on this, you have an option of your entire screen or the application window or the Chrome tab, which we are the browser tab. So for example, I'm just clicking on the entire screen and clicking on share. So you can see once I open it, all the content, I can see all the details will be there. So this particular screen will be shared to all each and every. Since I am doing it is basically this screen sharing is all good. Since I am recording it, that's the reason you are finding out lots of images as in a series over. But it's all good. I have used it. I have already. So this will be shown to all the participants what all slides we are doing. Fine, good. Now, so once you want to close it up, your screen, then you can click over there. You can even invite the people by clicking on this particular. This is just for the security purpose. Okay, you can embed it this meeting if you want to add it up into another web link or web pages, that also can be done. This is the view shortcut. Shortcut means these are the shortcut basically. Suppose I want to mute it, unmute it, so I just have to press M. Okay, I just manage the call and all those things. You can find it all. Even for the video, there was HID. Push to talk, show or hide, view or exit the full screen, show speakers, focus on your window, focus on another person window as well. Start and stop of your camera. So I'm just pressing on my keyboard V. So you can see video got activated. Once again I'm pressing short TV. So what happened? My video got on. So like that. Coming to this one chat option you have, so you can write it over there. Anything, and this will be sent to all the participants. Okay, fine. In guest faculty and hand raise. If somebody has a query over there, he or she can raise the hand by clicking on this one. This is the one where you can put your YouTube link or any link, video link, and that will be played over. Okay, so you have to put the URL link. For example, this one I'm putting, and then I'm clicking on share. So what happens? That video will be played over. That video is going to be played. you can remove the share video. Fine. Then you have the whiteboard. Here you have an options of a whiteboard. So once you click on whiteboard, a whiteboard will be appearing, and here you can use it up to demonstrate to people or to can understand, to make others able to understand all those things. You can, the participants will be sharing PPT. Here you have an option of enlarge and or erasing. All those things you can have it, either pencils, drawing, square box, as like here you have options of what downloading. If I want to download this whiteboard, I can download it up. This as a JSON file I can download, and here I can have an upload images into the browser that I can have. Any JSON file I want to upload it, that also I can have it. This is just for reload, undo, and this is for getting the new deleting order. Fine. So this is at last we have what? At last we have a full screen. By clicking on that, this is for setting the videos of how quality. Somebody has a low bandwidth, then he can switch it to standard deviation or high definition. Okay. Then this is the meeting statistics with the speakers and all. This is the settings, your name, your device name, all those things. Profile your name over here. So that's all. Fine. All good. So once you click on the whiteboard, it gets vanished. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.